Hey everyone, so there are many people who want to know how to connect a DVD player on Samsung Smart TV in 2025. So here I am going to show you how you can connect a DVD player to Samsung Smart TV. So there are 4 steps to connect a DVD player to a Samsung TV. So first of all, the step number 1 is connect the cable to the back of the DVD player, like you can see the HDMI and other components. So HDMI cables are a single thick cable that is commonly on most high definition TVs. They connect to single port in the DVD player labeled HDMI. The shape of the HDMI connector at the end of the HDMI cable is designed to fit in the shape of the HDMI port on the back of the DVD player on and TV. And if you have a older generation DVD player, so you can just connect the three plugs you are watching, like the red one, white one and yellow one. You can just connect these three with your DVD player. You can also uh, do something like, if you are using S video is another older format that does not support high definition video, though it does produce a higher quality standard definition connection compared to composite cables. An S-video cable has 4 pins and a small tab. Many newer TVs no longer support S-video, but if you are connecting to an older DVD player that has composite connections with a newer TV that has only HDMI, there are adapters you can buy from retailers like Best Buy and Amazon. And after that, you have to connect the cable to the back of the TV. Depending on the type of the cable you are using to connect to DVD player, connect it to the proper port on the back of the TV. HDMI cables plug into the port labeled HDMI. Components and composite cables will connect to the color coded ports like the yellow one, white one and the red one. And some newer TVs have a shared component or composite port. If you are connected to a composite cable to one of these ports, connect the yellow video cable to the green port on the back of the TV. And after that, the third option you have to do is plug in the DVD player and power it on. Make sure you have an available electrical outlet near your TV to plug in your DVD player. If you do not, you can use a power strip to extend the number of the outlets near your TV. And the last thing you have to do is select the source on the TV. There is a source for each port on the back, as you can see: TV, AB component, VGA, HDMI and HDMI 2. You will have a source button. It might say a input instead on your Samsung remote, even if it's a compact version of the one displayed here. Repeatedly press the source or input button until you reach the source that's connected to the DVD player. For example, if you're plugged in the DVD player with an HDMI cable, press source or input on your remote until the source is labeled HDMI. If you see signal mode not supported, you most likely need to press the source or input button on your remote again to try a different input channel. So that's it, guys. You can now enjoy your contents uh, with the DVD player and connecting to your TV. So see you on the next video.